Hi there, after a long wait, the Redmi Watch is finally here. Now I've been using this for about 3 days, literally day and night. What got me in love with it is its built-in GPS. However, it does trade off some features. So let me share all the details along with my experience. Watch this full review so you can decide if you should buy this or not. We'll start with a quick unboxing and then move on further. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging of the Redmi watch. You can see this is an ivory color. You have the Redmi branding here. Towards the back are some manufacturing details and the MRP, which is 5,999. Alright, let's unbox it. Right on the top you can see the watch. There you go. Then you have a user manual which is in English and a charging dock for the watch. So here is the watch and it has this amazing ivory color. Of course, choice of color is very subjective, but I'm absolutely loving this. However, on the flip side, this is a lighter color and it could get stained and dirty more easily. But thankfully it comes with 580 water resistance rating, so you can wash it under water. But washing machine में मत डाल देना. हाँ, swimming के लिए you can wear it, पर आजकल swimming pool तो सब बंद हैं, but जिनके private pool हैं, पहनो और मजे करो. So let's have a closer look at it. So we get a square dial with a plastic build and it has this matte finish, feels very sturdy. There is a single button on the side, flat metal button and a little above the center. It's nice, it won't get stuck in any cloth or thread. And the straps are made of good quality TPU and are really soft to touch. It has this buckle design and provides a very good grip. And since this watch weighs just 35 grams, it's extremely light, can barely notice you're wearing anything. Ideal for those looking for a watch with sleep tracking. See, every smartwatch nowadays comes with sleep tracking, but the problem we face is that they're heavy, bulky and not very comfortable. But this one has an extremely soft strap and weighs light enough to be worn while sleeping. Moving to the back, so you can see the Redmi branding. The center part houses the heart rate sensor and below are the charging terminals. The charger is actually like a charging dock. It's not magnetic, the watch simply clips in and starts to charge. When kept sideways, it's like a bedside clock. It's a really smart idea. And the best part is chances of you losing this charger is far lesser. Now if you've noticed, this watch doesn't have an SpO2 sensor. Is that a con? Well, yes, you can say, but my way of looking at it is no. It's because SpO2 sensor or blood oxygen monitor on any smartwatch isn't very accurate and certainly not reliable. So it's really not a huge deal. Then these straps can be removed and swapped with different colors. But you can't buy any local third-party bands because unlike hook mechanism that we see on other smartwatches, we have to press this button and the strap is released. You push it in, you hear a click sound and it locks in. Simple. Moving to the display. So it has a 1.4-inch TFT LCD display with a resolution of 320 by 320 pixels. That means we get 325 pixels per inch, which is simply amazing. The display is crisp and the detail in the images is superb. The color reproduction is surprisingly vivid for an LCD display. Very colorful. The other good thing is that it gets really bright to see outdoors during the day, and that's thanks to the 350 nits of peak brightness. The display brightness can also be set as per your preference, and there is also an auto brightness mode which I highly recommend you turn on, so it adjusts the brightness of the display as per the lighting conditions, and this will actually save on your battery. The bezels on the sides are quite slim but noticeably thicker on the top and bottom. It's not a deal breaker in any way considering its price. The raise the wrist to wake the display was the best I've seen in the longest time on any smartwatch. Snappy, super quick and very responsive. In fact, the gyro is so good that it turns off the display the moment you turn the wrist other way. Works flawlessly. The Redmi watch comes with Bluetooth version 5.1, which means better connectivity and more battery efficient. It pairs using the Xiaomi Wear app, which is available for both the Play Store for Android and the App Store for iPhone. The pairing process is simple and it won't take you more than a couple of minutes. The watch comes with a heart rate sensor and provides you 24/7 heart rate tracking. There is also a Breathe app to relax and de-stress yourself. There's also an alarm app available, so you can set the alarms directly from the watch. Same goes for timer and stopwatch. It's truly handy when you don't want to reach out for your phone. Now coming to my favorite feature of the Redmi watch, built-in GPS and GLONASS. Now both are satellites and tell you your exact position and belong to different countries. They basically help you map your outdoor runs, cycling and hikes more accurately. I had no problems getting a quick fix on my location on the Redmi watch. Also tested for a short run and it showed me the distance, time, calories burnt, heart rate, everything you need right on your wrist. After you complete your run, it displays a detailed summary of the workout. The workout also syncs with the Xiaomi Wear app where you can see everything including the map more in detail. In my limited experience, the readings were quite accurate. The watch also comes with 11 workout modes: running, walking, treadmill, outdoor running, outdoor cycling, freestyle, trekking, trail running, cricket, open water swimming and pool swimming. The watch can receive call alerts with vibration and you can see the caller's name, but you only have an option to reject the incoming call. No way to silent the ringer, at least not when it's paired with an iPhone. Similarly, you receive app notifications, you can see the sender's name and also read the part of the message. So let's have a quick look at the interface. Swipe from the top to access your notifications. You can see the list of all the messages, missed calls, everything right here. Swipe right and you access the music player. Now this is actually the music that's playing on your phone. You can control the volume, previous track, next track, pause, play, everything. Here are the calories burnt, the weather, sleep tracking, heart rate and the home page. And if you swipe right, it's the same list the other way around. Press the button to go back to the home page. Swipe up to access quick toggles. You have the torch, raise the wrist to wake the display, lock display, then you have do not disturb, wake display for a couple of minutes and settings. Press this button on the side to go back to the home page. Press the button again to access the apps. You have the workouts. In workouts you can see all the workouts. Here is the activity. Then you have the stats. Then you have heart rate. Then you have sleep tracking. Then you have the breathe app. Then you have the compass. Yes, that's the compass. Here is the air pressure. Here's the music player again. Swipe up. You have the alarms. You have the stopwatch. You have the timer. You have the weather. You have the notifications. You have the find phone, torch again, help app and settings. In settings you have watch faces, brightness levels, auto adjust, do not disturb. Further down you have auto lock, vibration, password, system settings, Bluetooth and about. Now that was really smooth, no lag or stutter and above all very easy to use. The Redmi watch comes with support for over 200 watch faces. Yup, you heard me right, 200. You can download from the companion app and the fun part is that they're divided into categories. New, painting, activity, digital, analog, mechanical, sci-fi, cartoon and even festival. The list is really long and you can see the hard work gone into making these watch faces. Some of them look really amazing. And the best part is all of these are free. The Xiaomi Wear app has come a long way, but still needs work when it comes to control. It shows you the activity, your steps, calories burned, heart rate, sleep tracking. In workouts, it shows you all your workouts. In profile, it shows you the battery, the current watch face, app notifications, and updates. There are a lot of limitations right now and definitely could be better. So let's talk about the battery. It comes with a 230 mAh battery and Redmi claims it will last for 10 days. Well, in 3 days of my use with notification and little use of GPS, the battery was drained about 20%. However, it would be hard to put a finger on the exact number of the battery because all of us use our phones and watches very differently. But I can safely say that you'll get 5 to 6 days with medium to heavy use, and probably if you're a light user, you might even pull through a week. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100%. Alright, final thoughts. Well, it's exactly what most of us are looking for when you want a budget smartwatch. Yes, it does lack SpO2 sensor, but trust me, having one that is not reliable is a lot better than not having one. A colorful, crisp LCD display, though I would have loved to see an AMOLED panel, A nice square design, it's got a build quality which is really nice, it's got built-in GPS and it works flawlessly, 5 ATM water resistance rating, tons of watch faces, go crazy downloading. It's going to be available in 3 color cases, black, blue and ivory with the same straps as well as a lovely olive green strap. Make your pick. Sadly, we don't have the price while making this video. You can check out the price, the buying details along with the purchase links in the description. I can easily say this is one of the best budget smartwatches of the year. I'm loving it and I'm sure you will too. I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.